Hello everyone. So after learning the curves, strokes and loops of cursive letters, now let us learn how to write cursive letters. Now let us learn how to write small cursive letters A to Z. So here we go. We'll start with letter A. Put your pencil on the third line and from here you will go up, touch this line, bend down, go back and make a half circle, close this circle and don't pick your pencil, come straight down and make a tail. This is letter A. After writing letter A, put two fingers, you have to take 2 finger gap. You will put your pencil and after putting your pencil, remove your fingers from there and start writing letter B. From the third line, you will go up with the help of loop, make a upper loop, come straight down and make a curve and a small crescent moon here. One thing you have to remember then that in letter B, you will not make a loop here. You will not make a loop here. You will make only a small curves shape here. After letter B, again put your 2 fingers and put your pencil here. After putting your pencil, pick up your fingers and from here you will write letter C. From third line, you will go up, bend down, go back, make a half circle and end with the tail. This is letter C. Again, put your fingers here. Now put your pencil, pick up your fingers and now start writing letter D. First you will write letter A. With the help of letter A, you will write letter D. Close it, go straight up, come down and end with the tail. This is letter D. Now after letter D, you will write letter E. Put your pencil on the third line. Now with the loop here, you will make E in between 2 lines. Now after E, write letter F. You will go up, upper loop, then straight down, lower loop, close it here and make a curve here. After letter F, we'll write letter G. We'll write letter G with the help of letter A. First you will write letter A, close it. Now come straight down and make a loop here and close it and end with the tail. After G, we'll write letter H. Now you don't have to take finger gap. You will write at the bottom of these letters. Now after G, we'll write letter H. Put your pencil here. Touch the red line. Make a loop here. Come straight and make a curve and end with the tail. Letter H. After H, we'll write letter I. Straight and end with the tail and put a dot. Now letter J. Start from your third line, slanting up, straight down, make a lower loop, close the loop here and end with the tail and after writing the letter put a dot. After J, we'll write letter K. Put your pencil on the third line, make a slanting line, a loop here, upper loop, come straight down, a half circle, close it and from here you will make a slanting line and end with the tail. Letter K. After K, we'll write letter L. Third line, put your pencil on the third line, go up and a loop, upper loop, and end with the tail. After learning all the loops, it will be very easy to write these letters. After L, we'll write letter M. Put your pencil here. Now with the help of strokes, we'll make letter M. In letter M, we have 3 legs and end with the tail. Now after M, we'll write letter N. Again with the help of strokes, down strokes, we'll write letter N and end with the tail. Now letter O. With the first curve, you will make letter C, bend it down, go back, close it here and make loop here and end here. It's letter O. After letter O, we'll write letter P. Go straight up, straight down, again up, don't pick your pencil, and make a curve as you have made in letter H. Now after P, we'll write letter Q. With the help of letter C, we'll make Q, close it. We'll make first letter A, then straight down and a slanting line. It's letter Q. After letter Q, we'll write letter R. Go slanting. This is a slanting stroke. Make an I here, a small loop here and a curve there and end with the tail. Don't touch this on the second line. You have to keep a bit gap here. After R, we'll write letter S. Again with the slanting stroke, go up, turn back, around, touch this line and go back and end with the tail. Letter S. After letter S, we'll write letter T. Start from the third line, go up, touch the red line, now straight down, make a round curve as Dadaji ki chhadi, and now you will make a sleeping line. This is letter T. Now after letter T, we will make letter U. In letter U, we will again make a straight stroke. We will come up to down, up, down and a tail. V also same, all U, V, W you will write with this stroke only. V, then W, 2 times U you will write and with a small curve, U. After they all U, V, W, X, they all these letters starts with the up to down stroke. Letter X. After letter X, we'll write letter Y. Again, first you will write letter U, then go straight down and make a lower loop and end with the tail. This is letter Y. And in letter Z, you will first write letter X, half of letter X, come down, slanting down, then go bit up, then reverse C you will make and make a lower loop and end with the tail. This is letter Z. One thing you have to remember that whenever you are writing letter V, W, and even I have told you in B also, don't make these loops here. Don't make a loop in B, in V and in W. This is wrong. I will tell you why it is wrong, because when you join V and R, if you will make this loop and you will join R with this, then it is not visible to read. You can't read it. What is written here? So now I will tell you the correct formation of writing V and R together. First you write V and with this you will write R. Now you can read it clearly. Same thing when you write W and E together. If you make this loop and you join E, then it will be read as letter R. You are joining R with this. So This is the wrong way. The correct formation is, first you will write W here, you will not make a loop here, and you will write letter E. Now it is clearly understood that we can read this word W-E-V. Same thing with letter B. When I join B, or I write the spelling of B, B-double-E-B, spelling of B. Now see, you can read 3 E's here. When you will make a loop here, you can read this word as B-E-E-E, or you can read B-R-E. So this is a wrong formation. The correct formation is, first you will write B, you will not make a loop here, and this is clearly read as B. And one more thing I want to tell you, that whenever you are writing letter B, F, H, K, L, always make these loops. Most of the children are not making the loop. They are writing H like this, they are writing B like this, they are writing L like this. So it is not easy to read these letters. But when you will make the loops, you will clearly read the letters, and this is the correct formation. And in D and P, you will not make a loop. You make loop in D, in T, and in P. You will not make loops in D, T, P. This is wrong. The correct formation is D here, T here, P here. So this is all for today about small cursive letters. I hope this video will be fruitful for all those who are learning cursive letters. Goodbye. Have a nice day.